I've been struggling with my weight since elementary school.
And I've been struggling since my junior year in high school.
Throughout the many years, I've tried various diets and the weight has fluctuated, back and forth. I found that I would get into the diet, I lose weight, but then once you get back into your normal lifestyle, then it slowly adds back on.
Some of my attempts were like the South Beach or Atkins diets. Like Scott said, that stuff lasts for just so long and then you're back into your old eating habits.
It was last year I realized that I was in my mid-40s and I had diabetic complications, high blood pressure, cholesterol, sleep apnea. My A1C was spiking, so I was threatened with insulin. And so that was like the real wake-up call. Our daughters are 13, 15, and 17. I want to make sure that I'm around for graduations and weddings and such.
Last summer was my turning point. I didn't have any health issues as dramatic as him. Mine was just my cholesterol, and it's just realizing, I can't let the weight issue go on any longer, which made me decide on the surgery.
I feel that Dr. Baranoff and his group prepared us well with information throughout the entire process, the 2-hour seminar, to some group meetings, to the one-on-one consult with Dr. Baranoff, and then from there we set up 2 or 3 appointments with the nutritionist and also met with the psychologist. And then within about a month our surgeries were scheduled. And since we're doing this together, Melissa had hers scheduled for December and then I scheduled mine for January.
Dr. Baranoff was great. He was very reassuring. His whole team was.
Both of us went through the operation, flying colors without any issues whatsoever.
People question us, like how we feel afterwards. Do the hunger go away? Do your cravings go away? And yeah, everything goes away. You just don't crave that junk food anymore, which was a really huge thing, I think, for both of us.
Yeah. Within 2 days, the sugar levels were down. At my 3-month check, my A1C with a 3-month average, with no medications, was a 5.8, which means it's in total control. I'm actually off my CPAP machine now. I couldn't ask for a better outcome.
This weight loss surgery has just meant the world to us. It hasn't only benefited him and I, it's benefited our daughters as well. We have them eating healthy now.
The whole family goes to the local gym 2 or 3 times a week.
We were able to do our first 5K, Scott and I and all 3 of our girls, which was just amazing.
I was in the walk category, but I kept a consistent pace, and believe it or not, I was actually first place for my age level. I couldn't have done it without this weight loss surgery, without Dr. Baranoff and the team at Saratoga Hospital.
Such a difference going from a size 20 to a size 8 in the matter of 6 months. Never dreamed of being this size in my life. So it's been pretty amazing. I'm going down into the size my teenage daughters are in, so now I get to share their clothes, hopefully.
I'm about halfway to my goal, 4.5 months out. Within a year and a half, I want to be in the 170 range, so I have about 50 pounds, to go to that. But with my diabetes in check, the blood pressure in check, the cholesterol in check, activity levels are up. Now I have a new outlook on life. I know I'm going to be there for my daughter's graduations and weddings, and it's been an amazing trip together.
Definitely.